Despite a positive inflation outlook, which according to the governor's central bank, Tumusiime Mutebile, remains within the bank's 5% target, risks to growth remain apparent.
There are nonetheless upside risks to the outlook, including the future direction of food crop prices, the path of the exchange rate, which in part is contingent on external economic environment, ensuing demand pressures on account of the positive output gap.
And the bank's executive director for research, Mugume, however, defends the estimates, saying they fall within the country's 9% GDP growth for the financial year 2018-19, among other economic indicators.
Nominal GDP growth is in the range of 9% for 2018. So if you combine it with, correlate it with private sector credit growing in the range of 11, you see that actually they correlate very well. Monetary aggregates are growing in the same range of around 10% or so. Then you talk about imports, excluding government private sector imports. You see, again, for example, consumer goods imports in 2018 were growing in the range of 24%.
Relatedly, the bank's director for supervision has cautioned against continued government borrowing appetite and called for reforms in credit regulation.
For the growth of government appetite for domestic borrowing. That's one. Two, even the way we as Bank of Uganda regulate the process of credit provision does have an impact as to whether or not credit shall be readily available to the private sector. So even that requires some level of review.